Hey, I'm Kate. I'm a freelancer living in Dubai, and today I'm gonna take you through a real day in my life. So if you're thinking of moving to Dubai or just curious on how it's like to live and work here remotely, especially with everything already set up, this might be useful for you as well. Let's get it started.
I usually wake up around 8. Slow mornings are kind of my favorite part of freelancing. Coffee first, always. Then a quick inbox check to see what the day is looking like. My apartment's super cozy, which makes mornings feel calm. And yeah, I didn't have to furnish any of this myself. One of the best things about living here is having a gym right in the building. It makes it so much easier to stay consistent, even if it's just a quick 30 minutes. And on good days, I'll head to the pool for a little cool down or just to clear my head. It's such a luxury, but also part of the everyday here. I actually found this place through Colife, and it made settling into Dubai way easier than I expected. Everything's included: bills, Wi-Fi, maintenance, and it's part of a really cool community here. Honestly, if you're new to Dubai or just want a stress-free setup, it's definitely something worth looking into. After the gym, I usually work from home for a few hours. My apartment's actually perfect for it. It's a quiet, bright, and super cozy. I love having my own space to focus, and being able to wear sweatpants all day definitely helps. But some days I just need a charge of scenery, so I'll head to a co-working space or a nearby cafe. It's just to be around other people sometimes, even if I'm just working quietly. Dubai has so many cute spots for this, and it's a great way to break up the day. In the evening, I try to make time for something social. Sometimes it's a paddle session, other times it's just hanging out with friends for board games or a chill coffee. Living in a community like this makes it super easy to meet people, and it's honestly one of my favorite parts of life here. Of course, there's also the regular stuff: groceries, laundry, deliveries, nothing glamorous, just everyday life, but I kinda love that too. Having a routine, even in a city like Dubai, keeps things grounded. Evenings are slow. Sometimes I read, sometimes I catch up on a bit more work, or just watch a show and completely switch off. I really value having this kind of balance between working, social life, and just being still. It took me a while to create a rhythm that feels good, but this life really works for me.
So yeah, that's a pretty normal day for me here in Dubai. Nothing crazy, just a rhythm I've built that makes me feel grounded and free at the same time. If you like this video, don't hesitate to subscribe and drop a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!